1 minute set Dow Jones close using regression model to analyze. There are scattered diagram lines combined nonlinear model curve linear model. 1 straight line analysis. The result is the downward trend is very clear. Blue is the closed value. Red is estimated value. Yellow is upper limit and lower limit of 95% predicted interval. Nonlinear line model analysis. The result is the downward trend is very clear, but the rise of short term is very strongly. Curve linear model analysis. The result is the downward trend is very clear, lines combined which last line is the upward. Those predicted values could be referred in more reliability. Comparison table of predicted and actual values, October 24th, 2022 to October 28th, 2022. The relative error might be too large. This estimated line is not good. The estimate of the 5-day estimation cannot be suitable for the current stock market with too much risks. It is changed from historical data to get an estimation value of a trading day. The October 24th, 2022 to October 28th, 2022 new predicted values. The relative errors are very small. This predicted method is to obtain efficient and accurate estimation equation and estimated values. The following explains how Dow Jones changed from a short-term decline to a rise in October 2022. Excel calculating the probability distribution simulated data is an explanation of the simulator and random variables transformation of probability distribution using the Excel VBA. Please refer to in purchase, available from amayan.com. Demythologized Durbin-Watson test statistic transforms with real random variables, and obtains the sampling distribution of test statistic, and calculates the real critical value. Please refer to in purchase, available from amayan.com.